Jens Stoltenberg is a Norwegian politician who has been serving as the 13th Secretary-General of NATO since 2014. A member of the Labour Party, he was Prime Minister of Norway from 2000 to 2001 and from 2005 to 2013. In 2011, Stoltenberg received the United Nations Foundation's Champion of Global Change Award, chosen for his extraordinary effort toward meeting the Millennium Development Goals and bringing fresh ideas to global problems. The mission of Jens Stoltenberg as Secretary-General of the North Atlantic Treaty Organization was extended for another 2 years. Stoltenberg is set to lead NATO until 2022. Stoltenberg was born the 16th of March 1959 in Oslo, Norway, into the Stoltenberg family. His father, Thorvald Stoltenberg, was a prominent Labour Party politician who served as an ambassador, as defense minister and as foreign minister. His mother, Karin Stoltenberg, was a geneticist who served as state secretary in multiple governments during the 1980s. Marianne Heiberg, married to former foreign minister Johan Jorgen Holst, was his maternal aunt. Jens lived in SFR Yugoslavia from 1961 to 1964 while his father worked at the Norwegian embassy. Stoltenberg attended primary school at Oslo Waldorf School and upper secondary school at Oslo Cathedral School. He served his mandatory military service with the Army's Infantry Training Center at Evjemoen in Ostegder. After leaving the army, Stoltenberg enrolled at the University of Oslo, graduating in 1987 with the Cand.Oecon degree in economics. The title of his thesis was Makroøkonomisk planlegging under usikkerhet, en empirisk analyse. Stoltenberg's first steps into politics came in his early teens, when he was influenced by his sister Camilla, who at the time was a member of the then Marxist-Leninist group Red Youth. Opposition to the Vietnam War was his triggering motivation. Following heavy bombing raids against the North Vietnamese port city of Haiphong at the end of the Vietnam War, he participated in protest rallies targeting the United States Embassy in Oslo. On at least one occasion, embassy windows were broken by stone-throwing protesters. Several of Stoltenberg's friends were arrested by the police after these events. From 1979 to 1981, Stoltenberg was a journalist for Arbeiderblad. From 1985 to 1989, he was the leader of the Workers' Youth League. From 1989 to 1990, he worked as an executive officer for Statistics Norway, Norway's central institution for producing official statistics. He also worked part-time as an hourly paid instructor at the University of Oslo during this period. Between 1990 and 1992, he was leader of the Oslo chapter of the Labour Party. Up to 1990, he had regular contacts with a Soviet diplomat. He ended this relationship after being informed by the Norwegian Police Security Service his contact was a KGB agent, warning him of further contact. Stoltenberg's code name within the KGB was Steklov. Stoltenberg served as state secretary in the Ministry of the Environment from 1990 to 1991. He was first elected to Parliament in 1993 for the Oslo constituency. And as a member of the Labour Party, he served as Minister of Industry from 1993 to 1996, until Brundtland resigned. In 1996, Thorbjørn Jagland became Prime Minister, and Stoltenberg became Minister of Finance. On the 29th of September 1997, Jagland resigned because of an ultimatum he had issued stating that the cabinet would resign should the party receive less than 36.9% of the popular vote. Labour only received 35.0%. True to his promise, Jagland resigned as a consequence of its 36.9 ultimatum, and power was transferred to the first cabinet of Kjell Magne Bondevik. After Jagland's resignation and while in parliamentary opposition, Stoltenberg served on the Standing Committee on Oil and Energy Affairs in the Storting. He became the parliamentary leader and prime minister candidate for the Labour Party in February 2000. In 2000, the first cabinet of Bondevik resigned following an unsuccessful motion of confidence. Stoltenberg's first cabinet governed Norway from the 17th of March 2000 to the 19th of October 2001. Stoltenberg was the deputy leader of the Labour Party while Jagland was the party leader. Instead, Jagland was given the post as foreign minister. Stoltenberg's first tenure as prime minister was controversial within his own party, being responsible for reforms and modernization of the welfare state that included partly privatizing several key state-owned services and corporations. In the parliamentary election of 10 September 2001, the party suffered one of its worst results ever, winning only 24% of the vote. The 2001 election met with instability for the Labour Party. The Norwegian newspaper Dagbladet stated, "We are heading for a political earthquake when the votes are counted tonight, if we believe the opinion polls." In an interview with the Associated Press, Jagland stated, "It is unstable and unpredictable." After the election in 2001, Stoltenberg and his cabinet were forced to resign.